she said, test it now. Let's see if it's working.
Yeah, man, me go test it. Alright, now man, it come on already from the deep. Me know say it up. So, because it is dead, completely dead. Dead like it. So from it beat, I know it is up. Alright, hold on. Let me see the dish something. Will you wash it?
We have something in the fridge you can put in there.
No, this me talk about. From yesterday, me put on this one wash it and nobody no wash it. Yo.
No,
Alright, now come. Yeah, man, now check it out. Now check it out, guys. Now check it out. It also did have a problem when it lock, it a but that seems to be off also. Alright, so now
I like it.
now this is the dish for the microwave, so whoa! Look how many have flash of water. Jesus.
Unbelievable. Voilà. Really?
How cut me? Me get cut and I not even know how me get cut. Yo. I got cut, guys. I got cut. I don't know how I got cut, man. Okay, but this something there. Alright. This microwave uses 15 amp fuse also. Let me see.
At least one of the videos needed to start the highlight.
Come fix this.
That's not go 1 minute needed to start the highlight.
Huh?
It does say, the guy it does say, 1 minute of the video need to start to do highlight. And you know, straight free.
Better.
Yeah, for highlight.
No, oh, you mean, oh, no, man, you can stop there. They can just make Van Damme come.
No,
come.
I know if you do it, but it talk about 1 minute, at least 1 minute of video need to start the highlight. See it away down at the bottom, press on the
Just come click.
highlight save to your channel. Oh, a highlight. Good work now. Guys, hello guys.
Come set in this for me now, please. Wanna
Yeah,
come set that dish from here for me. Fix it. Or if it's set, if you go down on something. If you drop in the groove.
Here you go.
What you say after that? Yeah, man, put it in there. White in a plastic? Fork in there, a spoon?
No.
Okay. Set it. Wait. I'm gonna plug it in here. Alright, guys, we are going to do a test to see if it's working how it should. So we're gonna add some food. Alright, the beef that means the current is up. Go ahead.
How much minutes? Anyhow?
Put it for 5 minutes.
Yay!
Alright, so
Sounds
and you press the 5 and the 5 just automatically start. Alright. The pad also, guys, the touch pad was not working. It was giving some issues also. It's rotating, Anthony.